Welcome to CR International class. Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and okay and having the enjoy of the vacations. Today we are going to discuss about the Himalayan range. Himalayan race. Yesterday I have told you about the Himalayas formation, how they form, Himalayas features, their importance and their different landscapes. Today we are going to discuss about the Himalayas race. Himalaya is divided into three races. First is the Himalaya. First is the Himalayas. It is lies in the northernmost part, in the most northern parts. Of India. ठीक है? Here is the Himalaya. This is the Himalaya. This is the north side of the India, and here is the Himalaya range lies. It lies from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, from the river Ganga to Brahmaputra. Okay, the Greater Himalaya, it is known as the Greater Himalaya also. Due to their height above the sea level, here is the sea and above the sea level, their height is very high. That's why it is called the Greater Himalayas, because they are very high in the height and they are very nice in the size. That's why they are called as Greater Himalayas. Next, they are known as the Inner Himalayas also. Why they call the Inner Himalayas and what is the part of the inner? Most of the students may confuse. What is the inner part? This or this? This is the inner part. Not this. This is not inner part. Most of the students can guess this is the inner part because this is inside in the map of India. But due to the formation, we can say that this is the inner part. ये है inner part. When the mountains were formed, तो first inner part, inner range was formed. That was the Himalayas. Okay? Do you know what is the inner part? Okay? Its height is 6,000 meters to 8,000 meters. Most probably, this range mountain's height is 6,000 meters to 8,000 meters because they are situated at very high. Okay, most highest peaks like as Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, and any other peaks are lies in this range, in the Himalaya range, and covered with snow like a blanket throughout the year. Here is the ice and snow spreading all over these Himalayas range. Most highest peaks are situated in this range. This is the rugged and sloping. Rugged means very rough and tough. Rough and very sloping फिसलने वाला. Rugged and highest and greater and slopy part is the Himalaya. Snow covered here is the snow remains every year. There is, that's why there is life is not possible for surviving. There is no plants, trees. You can guess if these are the mountains. There is no plants, there is no human beings, there is no water. Ice take much time to melting the snow. That's why there is scarcity of water. Okay, people live here, and this range is known for its highest range. Snow covered throughout the year. There is harsh conditions for living. Harsh conditions for living. Life is very tough. Life यहाँ पर बहुत टफ है और conditions very extreme है. Height यहाँ की range 6 to 8,000 है. Now we will discuss about the second range. Himalaya range is known as the inner range, greater Himalayas, and the most inner range. Okay. Now we come to the second range. Second range, what is the second range of the Himalaya? Himachal. Himachal and middle Himalaya, that's known is many names, about many names, like as Himachal. Himachal range lies at the between Himalaya and Shivalik. Lies between Himadri and Shivalik. This is the Himadri range and this is the Shivalik range. ठीक है? And in the middle, both of them, between of them, here is the Himachal range. Its name was given Himachal due to the Himachal. Here is like Himachal, and major parts of the Himachal comes in this range. That's why it is called the Himachal range, and it is known as the middle range because it is middle between the Himalaya and the Shivalik range. Okay, it is known as the lesser Himalayas. इसको lesser Himalaya भी कहते हैं. Lesser Himalayas because it is at the less heights of Himalaya. It has the less height of the due to the it is less high from the Himalaya. That's why it is called the lesser Himalayas. According to their height, less from greater Himalayas, they are known as the lesser Himalaya. It lies in the Himalayas south, not in India south. It lies in Himalayas south. This is Himalaya and it is Shivalik or Himachal. It lies in the Himalayas south. Himalaya lies in the north and Himalayas south. This is here is the Shivalik. Here is the Himachal range. Its height is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. They are less high from the greater Himalayas. Here is the Great Valleys. Great Valleys, thick forest, here is the Great Valleys, thick forest, and many hill stations. vacations, summer vacations. Okay, most of the pilgrims go there for the worship and meditations. Here is the most population lies, and here is the diversity of the flora, fauna and human habitations. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the third range of the Himalayas. Third range is outer Himalaya. Outer Himalaya, and the other name is Shivalik. This is a Shivalik range. This is the Shivalik outermost layer, outermost range of the Himadri and the Himachal, and this is first range, Himadri. This is the second range, Himachal. This is the third range, Shivalik. These are the three ranges of the Himalaya mountains. It is outermost range. This is outside, so that it is called the outermost range. It lies in the last of the Himachal. Okay, its height is, it lies in the outer of Himachal. Its height is 900 meter to 1100 meter. They are lies at the lower part from the Himadri and the Himachal. Many broad valleys are found here. In this range, Dehradun, Patiladun, in this range, many valleys and many dunes. Valleys are these types. These are valleys and these are the dunes. Okay? Dune, यहाँ पर dense forest and wildlife lies here. Dense forest, thick forest and wildlife are present here. Here is the fertile soil. These rays are composed by the rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. This is composed by the sediments that is brought by the rivers. That's the soil of this region is very fertile, and people can raise the occupation of farming, irrigation, industrialization and tourism and boat and many other occupations are done. Rearing the animals also done here. This is a very populated region because there is no height, there is no much snow. It is sufficient. It is much better for India. People live here. Most of the population of India lives in this range near the northern lake. Many broad valleys and dunes are situated here, fertile soil here, and now I hope that you have understood the three ranges of the Himalayas. First is the Himadri, second is the Himachal, and third is the Shivalik. I have explained in detail. I hope that you will understand very well. Next, we will see in next classes. I hope you understand the importance of this race and formation of Himalayas race. and their situations. These rays have a great importance to the people. Thank you students for listening carefully and see you in the next class. Okay, have a nice